In this analytical task, we have used the IBM Tone analyzer, which are used for collecting the live data stream, and we collect the real-time tweets and analyze the tone of the tweets. For example, this is a schema of the tweets, and here we can see the tweets are converted, expanded, and for example, we see the word here, Gabri, and we can see its anger percentage 2.0 and fear 20.0, and here we can see the tweets are sorted. We have kept a query of collecting the tweets which have the joy less than 30%, and the tweets are collected into a table, and even the count is indicated as 90. Now you can see I'm changing it from joy to anger, and we got the words which have tweets which have tone of anger less than 30%, and its count is 148.